Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a quick and easy chia seed pudding recipe. No fruits, no dairy milk, no sugar. Super healthy chia seed pudding which you can enjoy any time of the day in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. Into my blender jar, I'm adding in 1 cup or 1 glass of water. I have 10 overnight soaked and peeled almonds. Now the reason why you need to soak the almonds and then peel and use is to help release the phytic acid content in the almonds, and that also will help in easy digestion. Next I'm adding in a splash of vanilla extract, 3 tablespoons chia seeds. Chia seeds are a good source of omega-3 healthy fats, protein and fiber. They are an excellent energy booster, hence ideal to have as a breakfast meal. They are also rich in antioxidants and calcium. The high fiber and protein helps to keep you feel fuller for a longer time and thus helps in weight loss and weight management. For added protein, fiber and omega-3s, I'm adding in 1 tablespoon flax seeds. For natural sweetness, I am using 1 soft medjool dates. Medjool dates are really soft and hence easily blendable. You can see how soft the dates are. Medjool dates are slightly bigger than ordinary dates, so I'm adding in only 1 medjool dates. Now if you want more sweetness, you can add in 1 to 2 medjool dates or as needed. If you are using ordinary dates and if the dates are not soft like mine, you may need to soak them a little and then add it into the blender. Instead of dates, you can use jaggery powder, coconut sugar, palm sugar or even maple syrup. Try not to use honey, as honey should not be used with very cold and very hot food. And now I'm going to blend this on high speed until everything is nicely mixed and combined. When you're blending the chia seeds with almond milk, you are actually making almond milk at home, and you can be sure that it is 100% natural almond milk without any preservatives or fillers or any added refined sugar. So this is a very quick and easy way to make chia seed pudding, and the best thing is no cooking needed. All you need to do is add everything into the blender and blend. The natural healthy fats from the almond milk will also help to keep you feel fuller and satiated for a longer time. Pour the thick and creamy chia seed pudding into a serving bowl. For magnesium added crunch and for a chocolate flavor, I'm adding in a couple of teaspoons of raw cacao nibs. I'm covering it with a lid and keeping it in the refrigerator for a minimum of 1 hour or overnight. And the next day morning, my super healthy chia seed pudding is ready to serve. You can see how perfect, creamy and smooth the chia seed pudding is. So guys, do try this healthy chia seed pudding and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.